Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RK Institute. Today's session will discuss top 5 real-world example of data analyst. And data analyst is in everywhere. I told so many classes. So wherever data will be there, there will be data analyst. But only some business knows how to turn it into success. In this video, let's look at 5 real world companies that use data analysis to grow, innovate and make smarter decisions. And first one is Netflix. So you guys already have idea about Netflix. This is the movie online movie website, and Netflix analyzes viewing habits, search patterns, and watch time of millions of users. So using this data, it's recommends shows and movies that watch your interest. As a result, over 80% of what users watch comes from recommendations. So this and all uses by using Power BI or data analyst, you can analyze all those things. How many persons using movies, particular one movie or repeated movies, or new customers, new users. There will be many data for Netflix. So they are having, they are using data analyst and they are using Power BI. And impact, increased watch time and customer retention. So this is one of the biggest advantage for Netflix. And key data insight, personalization boosts engagement. So by using this one, they increase their watch time along with that customer numbers as well. So this and all advantage of using Power BI. And next, second point, Amazon. So I already used so many reports for Amazon. Means I did Amazon reports. You guys can watch those videos. So Amazon is basically dynamic pricing and customer insights. So we have Amazon website for online delivery. This Amazon is the online delivery app. So hope so each and everyone used to use Amazon for ordering dress or shoes, or they have groceries also. So no many items you guys can use. And Amazon tracks purchase history and browsing patterns and competitor prices. It uses this data for real-time price advertisement and personalized offers. This helps Amazon maximum profit and customer satisfactions. So easily you can analyze customer result, repeated orders, new customers. There will be so many data in Amazon, and fraction of second they used to get new orders. So what they want to get immediate results. So immediate result by using Power BI you will get. So that's the reason there you started using Power BI. So before when Amazon launched that time, they used to use Excel sheet. Excel sheet easily you can't analyze the informations, but Power BI it's not like that. You easily you can get results. So this is the advantage of using Power BI. And impact, sales growth plus improved customers experience. So easily you will get sales growth plus improved customers experience. It means that you can analyze the customers expectations. So when you know customer satisfactions or customer means their expectations, you will meet result, you will meet your profit or revenue whatever, or sales, more sales. So by using Power BI, Amazon got major result and major impact. And Starbucks, this is also online. Starbucks is like a cafe day. And location and menu decisions, for location and menu decisions purpose they started using Power BI. So Starbucks analyzes customer buying patterns and demographics and traffic and data before opening a new store, and also studies local performance to design menu items for that area. So impact, better store performance and storage local connections. And key data insight is data supports smart business e- explanations. So this and all main uses for Starbucks. and easily you can analyze the data. For example, what went good, what went wrong, fraction of second you can analyze this type of analysis. So this and all useful for all the online business or e-commerce or like this Starbucks beverages companies. So wherever you want more data, you need to use Power BI, and that is advantage for using Power BI. And third one is Uber, and you guys already knows about Uber. It is a online car service, car rent app. So demand predictions and surge pricing. So what will happen for Uber uses real-time GPS and the trip data to predict demand in each area. So each area you can get new orders or new customers and so many repeated orders. There will be so many data, so easily you can predict demand in each area. So that is the reason Power BI is helpful for using Uber as well. So it's adjusting fares and search pricing based on demand and supplies, so you can predict customers mindset as well. So once you will one or two times if you will write car, you will analyze the each and every point, and you can analyze customer expectation as well. So this is an advantage for Uber as well by using data Power BI. So impact faster riders for users and more income for drivers. And key data insight is pre-detective analysis and efficient operations. So this is all advantage of using Power BI. And healthcare industries. I already told many times data analyst is rolling their major roles in each and every fields. For example, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce, online business. So wherever you will go, there will be data. So there will be data analyst. So data analyst, present market data analyst holding their major roles. And healthcare industry predicting diseases. So hospitals use patients data, medical history, and machine learning models to predict diseases earlier. Detecting diabetes or heart risk using data patterns. So you can easily store the data, and easily you can analyze the patient's diseases, and along with that for solution for that medicine. So for that cost, so many things healthcare department need to analyze, right? So for mm, immediate result they are using Power BI, because the fraction of second they will get result. For example, and hospital means healthcare industry means each and every time, each and every second they used to get new patients and diseases for them, treatment and cost, and again address. There will be lot of things, right, they need to maintain. So for each and every result Power BI will help for them. So impact saves lives and reduce treatment cost. And key data insight is data saves lives when used wisely. So this is all advantage for health industry as well. So this example show how powerful data analysis can be, and from streaming to shopping, travel to healthcare. So the real secret, it's not just about collecting data but turning it into a insight and action. So you can collect data and you can turn raw data into a beautiful analysis. So as a data analyst you have to do this type of works, and this is your first roles and responsibilities. And I already told data analyst is in a top position. So you can see everywhere there will be data analyst. So the central advantage of means top companies we have in real world examples. So please go through this video, and if you have any doubt please let me know, and we'll meet up in next class. And anyone have any doubt, please mention in comment, we'll discuss in next videos. Thank you guys.